Hi there. Do you feel like getting a coffee?
Oh, hi, Adam. Yes, sure. I really need one right now.
Long day.
Very long.
There's a cafe close by.
All right, then, let's go. I don't usually go out after work.
Me neither. But today feels different.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
I'm not sure. What do you recommend?
Our latte is very popular. The cappuccino is a bit stronger.
What's the difference?
The latte has more milk.
I think I'll have a latte.
That's my favorite too. I'll have the same. And I'd like some cookies with that.
It'll be ready in a few minutes.
Excuse me, is this chair free? I need it for another table.
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you.
This is exactly what I needed. Coffee can change everything.
Especially after a long day. So,
Are you
are
from
you a coffee
around
person?
here? Sorry, you go first.
No worries. I was just going to say, are you a coffee person?
Oh, definitely. I love coffee.
And what were you going to say?
I was just wondering, are you from around here?
Yeah, I am. I've lived here for most of my life.
That's nice. So, what do you like most about this city?
I like that there's always something to do, but it never feels overwhelming.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's easy to slow down here.
Exactly. It makes it easier to enjoy your time. Do you usually like to plan things? Or do you decide as you go?
I usually decide as I go. I like keeping my options open. What about you?
I'm kind of the same. It depends on the week, really.
Oh, wow, I didn't realize how late it is. This was really nice, Adam.
Yes, it was. I'm glad we did this.
Me too. Thanks for the coffee.
Of course. We should do this again sometime.
Yeah, that would be nice. All right then, see you tomorrow at the office.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
I'm glad I said yes to that coffee. Hi there, more conversations coming. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more.